I've done almost 4,000 healings, hands-on healings, and I put my hands on people's shoulders, and then I close my eyes and I watch for these purple hands to come up. And when they come up 9 times, then I know the healing is over, like the light has gone inside the person. And then I do some protection prayers and so forth, and I tumble out. It usually takes a minute or two. And I've realized that what happens is that the violet light dispels the dark. And once people aren't influenced by the dark, then they heal automatically. Time for people to be absolved of their old karma that was so difficult and painful, and for them to be carried to a new place. And so that, in essence, is what this light is about. And as all the darkness of the world comes around us, and wars and goodness knows what else, and mayhem and riots and stuff, there is a power. There is the power of the Tao. There is the power of nature. There is the power of the living spirit in all things to absolve you and to carry you home. And so that's what I hope to offer people, is an absolution, to be absolved from the past and open the path for them to a more glorious future. Thank you.